Hey adventure goers, in today's video we are going to be exploring some abandoned houses that I found out in the desert near Tonopah, Arizona. We're going to do a walkthrough, see what's inside that may have been left behind, and then check out the area around it. The goal is to hopefully find something with a year on it that'll sort of give us an idea of when these homes were last occupied. Let's go exploring. Ninja Turtles, Bart Simpson, eat my shorts, man. Batman. Are you off to save Gotham City? We are here in Tonopah, Arizona yet again today because we got about 5 or 6 houses that we're going to be exploring. They're just sitting right off the side of the highway and there's no trespassing signs and it's not fenced off. So let's go. Okay, so building number 1 looks like it's going to fall apart at any second. So we'll kind of go in here, just make a quick trip, if you will, and hopefully this doesn't collapse. While we're in here, rodent poop, not a surprise. What's that say? Let me get it. Oh, by the way, if there's anybody in here, like an axe murderer or a squatter, we're just filming, so no need to be alarmed. Just in our little closet. A lot of poop and pigeon feathers. Let's see what's back here. They had power. Looks like we got a few rooms. We'll go to the left first because, I don't know, I like going left. Looks like this probably could have been a bedroom. Another closet area. Carpeted. Oh, hey, the backyard. That's pretty cool. A lot of junk and debris back here. There might be a little bit more back there than what I thought. We'll make sure we go check all of this out, and I'm definitely gonna get the drone up in the air because this just looks like a really cool area. Definitely bathroom. We'll go back this way. Oh, they had a picture up there. My guess, it was either a swimsuit model or a calendar. Looks like we have the crapper. Nothing fancy. Let's go check out this other room. Probably just some more storage. We're not gonna go back there because I don't want to step on something then have that come crumbling down. I don't think we're gonna find anything in here today. Looks like this one's been picked through. All right, so that's house number 1. We're gonna go check out house number 2 next. So I found these completely by accident. One of my previous videos where I was exploring that stone building further up by the highway, I decided to drive around Tonopah and I found these. Never know what you're gonna find out here. That is house number 2. We're gonna make our way in. Gotta be careful around pieces of wood like this because rattlesnakes love to hang out underneath those. Oh yeah. Closet. Oh, look at that linoleum. Probably the kitchen right here, I would assume. You have a nice view of the mountains. All right, let's see what else we got here. Yeah, pigeon poop, feathers, debris. Our closet area. Bedroom here. Looks like there's a blanket or something there. Well, not a whole lot going on in this one. We'll just keep on checking it out. Oh, looks like someone could have been living here for a short time. I think that's a bag. Of course, we got the mattress. Work desk. Ooh, we do have a newspaper. All right. Well, yeah, that's. Ugh. I was gonna look for a year on it, but it's just not worth it. All right, we're gonna go around and check that out. So far, no crazy surprises. Oh, that was probably the bathroom. Well, maybe not. So this is the shower. You got the bathtub here. Looks like a vent. Light bulb would have been there. But there's no toilet, unless the toilet was right there and they just removed it. We'll go around and check it out. Sometimes toilets are lucky enough to get their own room. Oh yeah, this one doesn't look like it's holding up very well. A lot of closets. Like, they had closets for everything. Maybe a lot of girls lived here. Actually, maybe that room back there was just for the toilet. Because that would have been a shower. And then maybe the toilet was right there or on the other side. Or maybe they had 2 toilets. Shoot, they would have been lucky. The house I grew up in, we only had 1 toilet. And 3 siblings. All right, so no objects or anything in here that we can really take a look at. Ah, here's that graffiti we saw. It's got the whole Illuminati thing going on. All right, so now let's go check out this one. I don't see a front door anywhere, so we might have to go in through the back or through the side. It looks like there may have been patio doors in the back at one point in time, so we'll probably have to go in through that way. Oh, look, a bunch of beer bottles. All right, so this is the back of house number 3. So much cooler in here than it is being out in the direct sun. Oh, what was this? Looks like it was partially in the shape of a heart from stickers. Oh, that's romantic. It's Valentine's Day too. Not a whole lot going on in here besides a bunch of droppings. All right, let's check out this one. Some shelves. Kitchen area back there, judging by the linoleum and the piping. It's probably where they had the kitchen sink. Oh, there was a front door entrance here. I just didn't see it. See what we got over here. Well, nothing that's going to hint to who lived here or the backstory. But if there's one thing we know for sure, there's a towel and a frame for an outlet. And a hanger, so we know they hung their clothes up. Let's go check out the kitchen and see what Alice is making.
Hot dogs.
Bunch of flies. Something smells dead. Ugh, P.U. Well, we'll stay away from the stench. We'll check out this back room. This is probably just another bedroom. Sometimes it's really, really hard to tell. Not a whole lot to go on. Let's go check out this area again. I want to see what's back here. Back porch. Got a shower right here where people get all prettied up. Probably a toilet. Somewhere back here. Another exit. So far, nothing too fascinating. Usually when I go in places like this, I find something just to kind of get an idea of, what they did. Calendar, radio, refrigerator, stove, something. But we have found nothing, so I'm gonna go back to my car and grab my vape, and then we're gonna go continue to check out the rest of the structures here. All right, so we have 2 houses to check out yet. Then we have, it looks like an old shop, and then some more partial structures over there. Ah, what a lovely place to call home. Honey, I'm home. All right. Let's see what we got here. A whole lot of nothing. Just a bunch of debris and cardboard boxes. Telephone book. Is that Dr. Pepper? Let's find out. Budweiser. I've never seen a can like that before. We'll throw that one away. All right, so it doesn't appear there's a whole lot going on in this one either. So we're gonna go check out the house just over here and see what we can find in that one. Is that a Ninja Turtle? It is a Ninja Turtle. All right, we gotta go check that out. All right, just walking in here. Is this a door? Nope, another closet. Who would have guessed? Couch cushion. Was that yarn? Maybe the person here knitted. Okay, so let's go find that room with the Ninja Turtle. Oh crap, startled me. You always gotta be careful because you never know what's hiding in here or living in here. Don't want to spook anything and get bit. Garfield! Bart Simpson. Eat my shorts, man. Little soccer ball. Another Ninja Turtle. I wish I remember their names. There's like Donatello, Raphael, Michelangelo, and I can't remember the other ones. Someone was a Raiders fan. More of The Simpsons. This is cool. This is awesome. Someone definitely put a little bit of time into this. Gotta respect it. Now I feel like playing Mario Kart. We got the princess, Mario. Who's that, Bowser? And Batman. What's Bruce Wayne doing in here? Oh, Michelangelo, Raphael, Donatello, and Leonardo. Okay. I don't know how well you guys can see that. The lighting kind of sucks in here. Especially when you have a really bright background and you're shooting in someplace dark like this. The white balance is just all kinds of messed up. Don't know what that one is, but it doesn't look familiar either. Looks like people... This is kind of cool. This was probably made way after, but usually when you see something like this, it usually means kids were kind of measuring their height. Got a back room here. These all kind of have the same theme too. A few bedrooms, a bunch of closets. Backyard here. If I lived here, I would definitely be climbing up in those mountains probably every day. What else are you gonna do out in the desert? We're like 50 miles from Phoenix too. Gotta create your own fun. Definitely the shower. Oh, there's another one. Another bath, another toilet. On the other side, it looked like there was a broken toilet too. No shower curtain. How's a man supposed to shower in peace? Let's check out this back room. Ooh, bees. There's probably a beehive in there somewhere. We'll stay away from there because I don't want to piss them off. Cool. More graffiti. Sheet metal's falling apart. What does this say? See if I can get in the shade. No idea. That's the thing about graffiti like this. It looks cool, but I can never, ever, ever pick out what it says. I don't want to rummage through this stuff in case there is some rattlesnakes under there. Usually during the day, they're hiding underneath, something to stay cool. An old phone. Looks like some clothes. It's probably just trash from people dumping, which is probably exactly what that is right there. Oh, and the little doggy dish. Well, hey, if Lassie gets thirsty. Oh, definitely crumbling. So after exploring the houses and the land for about an hour, I pretty much called it a day. It was still a fun experience to roam through the houses and see what they looked like, but I was still kind of hoping to find a little more, such as maybe an old television set, radio, belongings that may have been left behind from the previous occupants, and last but not least, something with the year on it. But even though nothing turned up, I'm going to go ahead and guess these homes were probably left behind from the late 70s or early 80s, and that's just going based off the style of the linoleum. It just kind of looks like the style that you'd expect to see in like an old 70s or 80s sitcom. But what do I know? And while we couldn't find out too much about these homes, I think it's safe to say whoever lived here probably owned some farmland and some cattle. And who knows, maybe they just ended up selling their land and set forth new opportunities. And if you guys have any information on these homes, be sure to let me know down in the comments section below. I do enjoy reading the comments and getting a different perspective on things. Until next time, peace!